It's too goddamn hot for this shit.
Chuck, these customs out from the ones that don't got them, which are probably the blue Ford, the love truck, cars you're not familiar with.
It's just Dimension. It's a cheap paint. $350 Mako paint shop. It was done 5 years ago.
That's only one side.
I got to take on my gun. It's still running. Well, put it this way, on the caravan down here, I can't run slow with the caravan.
I have to keep it in second gear to keep the RPMs up around 2,000.
I need a mile,
just to keep
about
it.
a mile over there.
They wanted me to see what was in the little Chevy Love pickup. It's a really big motor. Okay.
They make kits for V8. I got another one.
Right. And I'll bring you down some. Yes.
Okay. And did they give you a hole punch? And they got the VIP card that they sell those to you? Okay, and you just punch the date.
VIP.
Okay. And then